we'll guide you through how to copy a Trello board. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to copy. Look for the Show menu button on the right side of your screen. Click on it and a sidebar will appear. In this sidebar, find and click on More. This will open up more options. Now, click on Copy Board. A dialog box will pop up asking for the name of your new board. Enter a name that makes sense for what you'll be using it for. You can also choose which team the board will belong to if you have multiple teams. Make sure you check or uncheck the option to keep cards if you want to copy the tasks or start fresh. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Create. Trello will then do its magic and create a new board with all the lists and cards from the original. Keep in mind that any members, activity, and comments from the old board will not be copied over, so you'll need to add members again if necessary. This is a great way to duplicate project templates or standard processes without starting from scratch. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.